Hey everyone, it's Mark. Welcome back to Mylemans Online. It's been a while. Yeah, since around April actually. I took a little time off, partly to recharge and partly because life got busy. But honestly, I've missed this. I've missed the community and just creating tech content again. During these past months, I honestly needed to take a breather between work, projects and just life in general. I didn't have the energy to record or edit the way I wanted to. But even while I was offline, ideas kept popping up, things I wanted to build, automate or share with you all. So I kept writing them down, testing new setups and quietly planning this comeback behind the scenes. Right now, I'm actually taking a few weeks of vacation, not to travel, but to ease back into the channel and get the creative flow going again and bring some new energy in everything I do here. So yeah, I'm officially back. Over the past few weeks, I've been posting polls about live streaming and you will all help me decide the best setup. Most of you voted for YouTube and Monday evenings, so that's exactly what we're doing. Starting next Monday, during my vacation, I'll be streaming on October the 13th, the 20th and the 27th, each one at 7 Brussels time. We'll hang out, talk tech, build home labs, troubleshoot a few things, probably live stream first, or just chat about whatever's going on. And if you can't make it to the stream, no worries. Each session will stay available as a video on demand, so you can catch up anytime. I'd actually love some feedback on something. Should I post the live streams replay here on the main channel or my second channel, Mylemans Online Extra? Drop a comment and let me know what you prefer. I am also working on new videos again, and if these live streams catch on during my vacation time, I plan to continue them in the future as a regular thing. Let me know what you guys prefer to see more of. Homelab, enterprise, or perhaps networking related content. Or maybe topics that are more related to your daily work. Things you'd like to learn about that we can figure out together here on the channel. To continue on that, I've already been posting more polls and some behind the scenes updates, and they've become a big part of the community here. I read all your comments and it genuinely makes my day when I see that one of the videos helped you fix something or learn something new or inspired you to build your own setup. That's what keeps me going. So I want to keep focusing on those kinds of videos that really make a difference for you. This next phase of Mylemans Online will be about exactly that, learning, experimenting and growing together. If you have been here since my very first Server 2022 video, the one where we installed the Hyper-V role, or if you joined somewhere along the way, thank you. If you're new here, welcome. I'm really glad to have you. And also a big thank you to everyone who has joined the YouTube member. Your support means a lot and helps keep this channel growing. Mylemans Online is back. And this time it's going to be better, perhaps even smarter, and a lot more fun. I know this style of video might not be for everyone. It's a bit more personal and behind the scenes. So to balance it out, I'm also uploading a brand new technical video today. A full walkthrough on how to migrate the virtual machine from Hyper-V to Proxmox. So whether you're here for the updates or more for the tutorials, there's something for both sides of the community. I'll see you guys on Monday at 7 live. Bring your coffee, your questions, and perhaps even your worst wiring nightmares, and let's build something awesome together. Bye.